A fan problem here because this light kit is like loose. See, it's kind of a little loose a little bit, and we do need to fix it. So my cousin's trying to take this light kit off here. I'm gonna turn on some. I'm gonna turn on this lamp over here so we can have some light. There we go. Make sure you don't lose the screws.
Yeah. Got them right in my pocket. Where's the other screw? Here?
Yeah, it's right there. If I don't want you to break the glass because it's fragile.
Yeah.
You should wait a minute. Stop. Take the glass off first.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Yeah, take the glass off first. That way you don't break it.
Good idea. Since you are the expert.
Yeah, just like I don't want you to break and buy a new globe like at Lowe's, Home Depot, or something. Then you have to drive like an hour away from Syracuse.
Yeah, that's true.
Actually, take the bulb off. Yeah, unscrew it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tight. No, left, right. Just turn it right. Or left. Sorry.
Yeah,
left.
This way.
Left.
This way.
Yeah, that's it. We got it.
It's kind of stuck.
No. If you right it, if it goes right, you'll tighten it. If it goes left, you unscrew it. It'll get loose. Well, thank you, because I think we need to fix it.
Okay, you got it?
I'll get the screw. There it is.
Okay. No, behind you. Roll back. It's to your right.
I see it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Got it safe?
Did you just drop a screw?
Nope, got it.
I heard something.
Okay, how do I tighten that little ring?
Okay, by the way, okay, hang on. Unscrew the wire nuts.
Where? Here?
Yeah, unscrew it. Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey.
Okay.
And then unscrew the wire, white. And then, hang on. Now don't like yank it out because they're probably gonna pull the fan out. So just kind of like unscrew it. Just kind of like use your
This part?
Use your fingers to
Untangle it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see it. Can I see the like it? Okay, so this is what needs to be. This is what needs to be fixed here. We do need some sort of nut to make sure like it doesn't. Do you guys have any nuts that would fit this?
Probably.
Can you go get a nut or something so that way?
Yeah. Can I take it to compare?
Yeah. So this is what the fan looks like right now. Oh, well. So now we're going to be going ahead and put the light kit back on. We didn't really find a washer, but we found like a black rubber
Actually,
wash.
let me clean this out. Because there's some
Actually, you know
dead
what?
bugs in here.
Alright, I'm going to clean this off here. So, alright guys, we're going to clean this glove here. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and clean the bowl. I'm going to do this time lapse, and here we go. Yeah, make sure you clean the inside of it, because look, it has like really dirty stuff in here, so let's clean it up. Here we go. Just let you know I've put some water in here, as you can see. Alright, so I clean the gloves just like I can, and we're gonna go ahead and hang it up. We're not gonna let the glove dry before I do that.
Okay.
Alright, so let's put up the light kit first.
Yep.
So make sure white goes to white,
Yep.
and black and blue match. Yeah.
Okay.
And make sure to pull them up. Put them on the white.
Yep.
Make sure you tug it to make sure it doesn't go out, because you're gonna get a spark if you turn the electricity back on.
Yeah.
There's one time when I got a ceiling fan from ammunition, a Cosmo Delta 2. When I was turning on high speed, like something sparked. So I looked inside, and the wire caps was not on.
Oh, I see.
And I think it was touching the metal. That's why you always gotta put wire nuts on, because it could start sparking.
Yep. And black to blue?
Yes,
Okay.
correct. Make sure you twist them, and then that will probably help.
Okay. Together?
Yes.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's secure.
And then white to white.
Where's the other cap? You see where I put it?
A cap, I'm not sure. You must have left it on the bed or something.
Because I just have it. You see it around anywhere? Oh, I see it. Got it.
There. I don't want to turn the power back on or anything, so...
Sorry?
I don't want to turn the power back on until we...
Yes, probably was a wise decision.
Thank you. No. Yeah. If I brought my big ladder with me, I would maybe try to fix stuff in the master bedroom.
Yeah, but since we don't, we'll just leave it for now.
Yeah. Maybe next time I come, I'll try to bring the ladder, but I don't know if
Okay,
I should.
we'll see. There we go.
You make sure you tug it so that way you don't...
Yep, looks good. Okay.
Yeah, make sure you tug it. Are you sure the wires are...
Oh no, it came out.
No. That's why you gotta...
It stayed on one. There we go. There we go.
Okay, make sure you tug it before you put it back on.
Yeah. We're good.
Both wires are secure, you're sure about
Both
that?
wires are secure.
Okay. Yeah. I know some people always do put electrical tape around, but so that makes sure it doesn't go out anywhere, so. Alright, is a third screw. Oh yeah, so yeah, I was gonna get it, but since
I got it. Actually, I think we can reach it.
come on.
Alright.
Alright, hang on. I'm gonna go put the bulb in. Okay, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Righty tighty. No, right.
There we go. Wasn't fitting in.
Don't
Okay.
tighten it too much.
Try now.
Pull chain. Something's not right.
Yeah.
Get a new bulb or something. Do you have any
Okay.
new bulbs anywhere?
Yeah, we do.
Something's not right. Unless you didn't tighten in all the way.
Yeah, maybe. Mom? Maybe light bulbs?
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I mean, this is it's a very old fan, so
Yeah, that's true.
stop, don't break it.
Okay.
Try it again.
Oh. What's this?
That's a switch.
Okay.
That's weird. Something's not right.
That's correct. Maybe I crossed the wire or they disconnected.
Maybe try to unscrew it or something.
Yeah.
It's off. Something's not right.
Correct.
So I don't know why this like is not working. It's not working correctly.
Yep.
Something got
Came
this.
out again.
Well, you should use some electrical tape or something
Yeah.
to hold it down.
I don't know if we have any of those. The issue.
Well, we can't use ordinary tape because that won't do any good.
Correct. Try it again.
A good thing it didn't spark, so.
Yes, that would have been bad.
I guess you didn't tighten it enough,
Yeah.
but. You got the wire in?
Uh-huh.
Well, make sure you screw it in
Yep.
tightly.
It is this time. Still good?
Wait a minute, hang on. You got a wire sticking out there.
Oh, yeah.
And match it up to the reverse switch. There you go. Yep. Yeah, like Yeah, try the LED first.
Yeah.
Wonder if the globe would fit with the LED in here.
It should. It's smaller than the other bulb.
This
Okay, try now.
Go ahead. Try the light. There you go.
Okay, can you turn off for me? Yeah.
Well, actually, the light kit wasn't screwed on. It was kind of very loose, so that's why it would sit.
Yeah, that's why, because you just drop screws.
I drop screws all the time.
So I
It
heard it,
hit the floor.
and then it hit something soft.
What? Look at my bag. Screw again, so I finally found it.
There we go. Good.
Okay. Go ahead and put the globe on.
Yep. So you can screw for that.
You can use your fingers to screw the globe on, but I don't want you to tighten too much because I'm going to crack it.
Lower the screw.
The screws with the globe?
Yeah.
I think they might be in there.
I got it. It's right here. Can you turn it off for me?
You know, I think you only got one screw.
Yeah, I do. Can you turn it off, please?
Well, hey, it's brighter.
Where's
Fire.
the screw? How do you screw it in?
I think they might be in there. Don't drop it because I don't want to.
Yeah.
Hang on. Unloosen the screws
Why?
because
Oh, I see.
wait, did you only have one or two?
I think there are two.
How many screws are in there?
Two. I have one on the bed.
Yeah, but you're gonna drop the rig and crack it open.
No, I won't.
Where is the screw on your bed?
Right there.
Just like hold the globe and get.
Yep.
Yeah, I wouldn't even use a screwdriver for like when you're going it back in because you're gonna crack it. Oh.
Where's the other screw? Do you know?
You said on your bed.
No, I have the screw. Oh, it's here. Okay. Because I want to get it in a little bit.
That's good. That's good. Make sure you get on the right hole.
Uh-huh.
You need to unscrew the screws.
Yeah. It's not working.
Well, you need to have it all the end all the way, but don't.
Is it all in all the way?
I don't think it is.
I think it is.
No, it isn't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just unscrew it. Oh. Yeah, just unscrew all of it, but not all the way out. Just unscrew some of it, so that way you can get your globe in. Yeah, that's good. Stop. Stop.
Okay. And put it up.
Yeah.
Is it all the way in?
Can't tell.
I think it is. Feels like it.
Can I go up on the... Go...
Here, I'll go up in the bunk. How about that?
Yeah, but don't drop it.
Okay.
Can,
yeah.
can,
we
yeah.
got it all the
Can
way
you
in.
tell?
Yep, it's all the way there.
Okay, make sure it's tight, not too tight, because you don't want to over tight it.
Yeah.
Is it tight all the way?
Yep.
Okay, let's test it
Ta-da.
out.
You test the
I got it.
fan.
Oh. Good. Alright.
Alright, next one.